A structure and working of ear. Our ear has three parts: external ear, middle ear, internal ear. External ear consists of pinna, ear canal, या auditory canal, and eardrum, या tympanic membrane. Middle ear consists of ossicles and eustachian tube. Internal ear consists of cochlea, vestibular system, and auditory nerve. In external ear, pinna catches the sound waves. Ear canal transmits the sound waves from the pinna to the eardrum or tympanic membrane. Eardrum or tympanic membrane vibrates when it receives sound signal from the ear canal. In middle ear, ossicles is made up of three bones: malleus, which is also known as hammer, incus, which is also known as anvil, and steps, which is also known as stirrup, which amplify the sound waves which is received from the eardrum or tympanic membrane. Next one is eustachian tube, which equalize pressure between the middle ear and the back of the nose, that is nasopharynx. In internal ear, cochlea is a hearing organ. Its shape is just like the of shell of the snail. It has fluid which vibrates when it receives sound signal, and ultimately it vibrates hair cell which generates nerve impulses. Next one is vestibular system, which is responsible for balance. It consists of semicircular canals, three fluid-filled canals which sense head movement. Second one is vestibuli, a central cavity containing articles and saculi which senses head position. And next one is auditory nerve, which is also known as vestibulocochlear nerve, that is eighth cranial nerve, which carries both hearing and balance signal from the internal ear to the brain.